Okay, so let's do an example. So in this example, we're going to just do the multiplication. Now, I'm going to not do as many steps, so I'm going to simplify things in my head. So you guys should be able to do the same thing. So I'm going to do this not in so many steps, okay? So I'm going to distribute. So now I'm going to distribute these three terms across these three terms one by one. So just watch what I do, okay? So, and I'm going to use different colors here. So this times this gives me what? 3p to the 3p to the fifth, right? So I'm going to write 3p to the fifth. Now I'm going to do this one and this one. This gives me 6p to the third. So plus 6p to the third. Now I'm going to do these two. So this is going to be negative 24p. So minus 24p. Okay, now I'm going to go to the next one. So now I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to cycle through this with this one. So now I'm going to go negative 4p times this. So this times this gives me a negative 4p to the fourth. So minus 4p to the fourth. Now the next one's going to give me a minus 8p squared. Oops. And then this times this is going to give me what? Positive 32p, right? Okay. Actually, let me rewrite that because I'm writing too big. Because I'm going to run out of room again. Okay, so this is going to be minus 4p to the fourth minus 8p squared plus 32p. Okay, now I'm going to do the last one. And so this is just one, so basically it's just going to repeat these, right? So it's going to be plus p cubed plus 2p minus 8. And so there are the 9 terms, right? So I should end up with 9 terms because I have 3 and 3 here. So 3 times 3 is 9, so I should have 9 terms, which I do. Now I'm going to add like terms. So there's no p to the fifth, so this one's not going to change, so I'm just going to leave it that way. So 3p to the fifth. I've got a p to the third, and I've got another p to the third here, so I'm going to add those, so that'll give me, well, actually, you know what, let's do 4, because we want to go in decreasing order. So the next one is 4. So I've got only one 4 here, so I'm just going to write that as minus 4p to the fourth. And now let's go to the cubes. So now I've got 3 here and 3 here, so that's going to give me plus 7p cubed. Now let's go to the squares. So I've got p squared here, so there's no other p squared, so that's going to stay the same. So minus 8p squared. And then the next one is just p's, right? The p. So I got a p here, a p here, and a p here. So I've got 3 terms. So I got minus 24 plus 32, which is 8. That gives me a positive 8 plus 2, which is positive 10. So this gives me a plus 10p. Let me double check. So 24 to 32 is 8. Yep, so that's a plus 8, plus 2, which is plus 10. Okay, and then the constant, do I have any other constants? Only one. So I only have one constant, so it's a minus 8. And that's my answer. Okay. try it out yourself, do it yourself. Make sure you can get the same answer. Okay? Other than that, have a great day.